Hey guys, it's Yaya. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Amla shampoo bars from scratch. I am using amla powder and I'm also using some melting pores to make my shampoo bars. Now this can be a very simple bar and you can just use these two ingredients, but of course I went all out and I added a million more ingredients to this shampoo bar just to jam pack it with amazing benefits for hair growth and healthy scalp and stronger, more voluminous hair. So these are the ingredients I'm using. I have amla powder, shikakai powder, and hibiscus powder. I'm also going to be adding cocoa butter, some coconut oil, hemp seed oil, and I'm also using some apple cider vinegar. I'm also adding arrowroot powder. This is just going to help thicken the bar, and of course my essential oils and my vitamin E. Alright, so I just used a double boiler to melt down my melting pour and also my cocoa butter and just mix those two together. And then I went on and started to add all of my ingredients in. I wanted to make this bar as beneficial as possible as far as hair growth and a healthy scalp. I noticed that a healthy scalp is really what has been helping me grow my hair super long and super fast, and different powders like amla powder have so many minerals and vitamins that just aid in a healthy scalp and long voluminous locks of hair, just beautiful curls and length retention. So this is why I chose the ingredients I chose for this mixture. Alright, so I got all of my major ingredients in here, and I'm just now starting to mix it up well without using the whisk, just to make sure that all the powder is incorporated evenly and there is no powder left over. What I want to say is that you want to be careful with these melting pours. If it starts to cool off, it's going to be almost impossible to pour. So you just want to make sure you are keeping an eye on it as it cools down and just pour it at the right time. I got these in almost like literally a second away from it being too late. You can see here in the last bar it was really shaky with it coming out. It was starting to seize, so yeah, just be careful with that, you guys, okay? But once I got all of it in, I just let it sit out for about 30 minutes before I placed it in the freezer to finish solidifying. So this is the next day, and I noticed right away that there's moisture coming through my bars, so that lets me know that I definitely added too much of something. And as you will see when I apply this to my hair, that they do become a little mushy. They don't really hold their shape as well as I would have liked them to, but they came out so beautifully at first. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my god. But it's still really, it worked great. The bar worked great, but I definitely need to add something else to make it keep its form a little better. As you can see right here, it comes right on off and it's super moisturizing, super soft, and I really liked how it did glide onto my hair. As you guys will see in a minute, it went onto my hair perfectly, but I would just like it to hold its shape a little better so that it could probably last longer. And you will see here that there's soot, but it's not like a squeaky clean type soot. It's a very moisturizing soot, and it's almost it has a lot of slip. It has a whole lot of slip, you guys, and it feels amazing. And my hair, if you can see, it just looks amazing. It detangles so well, and I was very impressed by this, and I think this is something I would definitely want to make a part of my regimen. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so that is it. That was the shampoo bar, and what I can say about it is like it just literally just mushing in your hands. It's still a solid bar after I got done, but for the most part it was kind of like just mushing in my hand, but it lathered onto my hair very well, and I like the consistency and the amount that was going onto my hair. It's super soft when you get that little, just a tiny bit of the soot or whatever, but it's not like squeaky clean soot. It's like a very moisturizing, silky, kind of like gives you really good slip. Actually, it gave my hair really good slip, so that was awesome, and I think that's due in part to probably the apple cider vinegar. But yeah, for the most part, you guys, I really think my hair feels strong and shiny and clean from the clay. So I did not condition my hair yet. Honestly, it doesn't even feel like it needs it. My hair feels so uber soft right now, but you could follow up with a conditioner and then just do the whole 9 yards, the whole routine. But I think I will start implementing the shampoo bar a little bit more. I really like what the Amla powder has done to my hair, and maybe if I can incorporate the shampoo bar maybe once a week or once every other week, and I can just really see what the Amla does to my hair, because I've heard so much about it as far as scalp problems, dandruff, and all that other stuff like that. So I will look more into it for you guys to see exactly how that plays out for me, but for the most part, I'm loving this. Alright, you guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do get this DIY try and you find a way to make it a little bit more solid and more composed, let me know so I can try it out myself. Leave a comment down below and let me know if there's ways that you know to keep your bar solid. I definitely want to give it a try if you have found out the secret to that. And I'm thinking I just added too much of some of the liquids. I think it's just too much of the liquid, so it wasn't able to hold its form. So I'm just gonna keep tweaking at it till I get it right, but for the most part it's still very usable. And like I said, you could probably end up mixing it with water and make like an actual liquid shampoo with it as well. But really the biggest thing is the ingredients inside, the benefits of the amla, the apple cider vinegar, and all of the other powders that are inside of there that's just really just working to get it a really amazing shampoo. So my hair feels clean, it feels wonderful, and I just made my own shampoo bar, so hey, I think that's pretty awesome. Alright, you guys, like, subscribe, comment, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos, and please leave a comment down below if you have any questions or concerns or any suggestions down there as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.